I'm honestly running so late today that I really only have about 5 minutes to finish my makeup. Hey everyone, Anissa here. I am getting ready to go to a barbecue really quickly, and I'm just going to be using the Perception palette and some other little things just to do a very quick, easy go-to summer eye feel, and I really do have to like time myself and be ready in like 5 minutes. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and start warming up my crease. I'm actually going to pop in some orange because that'll be like, the eye's going to pop without doing the most. And then you just need like a blending brush to do that. So I'm just going to pick up this Morphe M441, grab this color Thick, and start working it into the crease. Boom, boom. And I'm just gonna pick up Culture that's right above it. It's just like a kind of like nude shade right here, and lay right on top of the very beginning of Thick, so it'll all mesh in really nicely. Now when I'm in a rush, I love like cream shadows. This one's from Stella. This one is called Twig. I just like it because it's just, you can get a little pop without having to really think too much about it, because all you're going to do is swipe on some color here. And then just press it out with your finger. Because I want to add a little more dimension to this, I'm going to take the color right here, Strut and Slay, and just sweep it across the lid. Just make it really effortless. So just like that. Okay. I'm going to pick up the color Revenge right here and just run it along the little lower lash line, just to keep it like warm. And then I'm going to pick up the color Shade over here and smoke it into that Revenge color, just using the same brush. But this part, you're just going to etch it right over. I'm just going to use a clean blender brush and go along the lower lash line to get that all worked together. I know I sound so tired compared to usual, but literally it was my friend's birthday and I was out for much longer than I'm used to, so I'm so tired. When I'm in a rush, I really just use mascara only. I rarely do lashes, so I'm just using the Monsieur Big mascara from Lancome. I love it. This is one of my favorites because I can just get a really easy look with it. I do also use like a lash boost product. Ah, it's 5 minutes. Okay, so we're literally wrapping up the eye, so boom, like that. You see like the difference, like so crazy. But yeah, like I was saying, I do use a lash boost product. I have noticed it really has helped my lashes a lot. Like, I'm not gonna say it's so groundbreaking, like dramatically different, but it is really different. So the thing with like using lash boost, I don't have to wear fake lashes anymore. If I want more dramatic lashes, of course I will, but alright, so now that my eyes are done, I'm just going to give myself like 3 minutes to finish up blush and lip color and all of that. So here we go. First of all, I'm using the Face Form kit from Sleek Makeup, and their blush right here is like one of my favorites. It's just a really flattering tone, so we're going to use that. Pick it up, dust off excess, and smile, and work it back on the cheeks just for a little color. super easy glow. I'm using my Kilowatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to splash that over the cheeks for just a little additional glow. The one that is not very highlight-like is the one that I'm using. And then this is, I think it's like, what is this, Moscow Mule? Moscow Mule and Ginger Binge. So I'm using the Ginger Binge side. Okay, there we go. Now for highlighter, I'm using from Angelic Beauty. This is actually a gal locally in Tampa who owns this. Her Queen's Highlighting Pigment. This is very golden, super rich. And then I'm gonna pop some like right up in here. Down to the last seconds. Okay. Also gonna pop it on the inner corner here. And then can't let that fall out. I'm gonna be using from ColourPop. You know how much I have a love-hate relationship with this company, but this is the color Cheat Code, just bronzy. Goodness, yum. And then I'm gonna just thin it out with my lip glow bomb. I know I just messed up that name. And we're done. Okay, so now that my makeup is done, I'm literally getting ready to jet out of the door so I don't be like too fashionably late. But I just threw on these fun tassel earrings. This is from a line called Neon Bohemians. Actually, I know the gal who owns it and creates it because we worked together at a previous location of where I'm currently employed, and she was on Project Runway. Her name is Amanda Perna. She has two lines, House of Perna, The House of Perna, and then Neon Bohemians, and this is from the Neon Bohemians line. But I'll link all of her stuff down below. Like this year, I'm all about supporting girl bosses, like women who are in business doing their own thing, creating. I want to show as much product as I can find from there. So if you know any good lines down, any good lines, let me know in the comments down below so I can check them out. Other than that, you guys have a fun week. I'll have some other content dropping this week, but I just was like, okay, while I'm, you know, neglecting to make another wig video because I'm trying to be that, you know, family gal, I will at least have a little get ready, quick chit chat with you all. So I will catch you all in the next video, but you gotta hit subscribe and join the tribe, and I'll hang out with you all again. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today.